Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Google, allegedly, is now working on a Chromebook X series. This is according to some code that's been deposited in a code depository. These would be premium Chromebooks, premium Chrome OS devices. But my question to you is, how much are you willing to spend on a Chrome OS device? How much are you willing to spend on a Chrome tablet, a Chrome laptop, a Chrome computer? How much? What is the maximum amount that you're willing to spend? Now, I'm just guessing that most of you are going to say right in the few $100 range. And if they're talking premium, they're definitely not talking in the few hundred range. They're talking potentially in the few thousand or well over 1,000. Is that something that you would spend your money on? I have no problem with Chrome OS. I love it, as a matter of fact. Love the fact that it's always up to date. Have zero problems recommending it. Have no problems even using it when I need to. It's not necessarily for me because I tend to do things that are above and beyond where the average consumer is. But where are you in that scale? Like, if you've ever even used a Chrome OS device. If you spend $100, yes, you could use Chrome OS on a Chromebook. You're not going to have a great experience. To spend a few hundred, you're probably going to have an average experience. But is anybody really willing to move past the mid-range as far as Chrome OS or Chromebooks are concerned?